Hey there, it's Dave with Flipperforce, and I'm excited to share that we just added a new Quick Links feature, which is your personalized shortcut bar for each of your projects right here in your project overview header. So this makes it super easy for you to add links to access your external websites and resources directly within your project overview. So let me show you how it works. So you'll notice this new section right below your project address in your specs where you can add up to 4 quick links. To add or edit your quick links, simply click the edit button, and that's going to open up a modal window for you where you can enter a link title and a URL. So for example, you might want to add a link to Zillow or Redfin. You could also add a link to your CRM or a link to a Google Drive folder where you're storing documents or photos. You could also link a Pinterest inspiration board or a Matterport rendering, really any website that you find valuable for your project that you want to quickly link to. So once you add in your links and click save, those quick links will be saved right here in your project header, and clicking those links will then open up those windows in a new browser tab for you. So we hope you find this new quick links feature helpful. This feature was an easy win that was built based upon some user feedback. So if you do have any feedback of your own or ideas on some easy wins just like this one, please let us know.